Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jinto from US Cricket Store bringing you another video review of a beastly bat. And this particular bat is basically for the big boys out there who requested us to get big bats, big in dimensions, big in weight, for them to whack the ball without having an ounce of mercy for the bowlers, no matter who is running towards them at the bowling crease or at the cricket pitch. I'm talking about the B3 Dracon XL that we received as a recent shipment from B3. What's special about this? What are the things that I want to emphasize about this particular bat? First of all, before I go into that, this bat is basically a two stripe, which means that it is a grade 2 English willow. And I've been already raving or praising the decals that we have got from B3 for the Dracon, which is the lovely white stickers, peaceful white stickers with the black lining or black bordering that exist on the front and the back of the bat. But what's so excel about this, right? What's the excel? If you take a t-shirt or if you take any shirts, XL means they're generally a bigger size and for the big boys out there, right? And this bat is also for some big boys out there. This is the bat, guys. Just beast, just a beast, a big beast. I would say 40 to 43 on the edge, 64 65 on the spine, and a big chunky 29 on the toe. And if you see that the profile is basically having the biggest portion focused here, so mid low, mid, everything goes, no staying in the pitch, it goes. And I'm not kidding, it really goes. You will see that momentarily when I do the ping test. The ball, it just travels farthest with minimal effort, and you will see that momentarily. I promise you that. Now with so much of meat or so much of wood focused on the lower part of the bat, you would reckon or you would start thinking that, oh, how the balance would be on this particular bat. Now when we talk about the counterbalance, we always have to understand, if we balance out the weight on the top of the bat or towards the handle, the bat would always obviously feel lighter than what its dead weight is. Dracon in the non-XL version was always picking up a couple of ounces lighter than its dead weight. Well, does this XL live up to the reputation of the normal Dracon? I would say 110% yes. No reason, and there are quite a few reasons I want to point out. First of all, take a look at the shoulders. It's superbly thick. Take a look at this handle. It's superbly thick. So if you have good weight distribution towards your handle, towards the upper part of the bat, you would definitely have a bat that is picking up a couple of ounces or even more lighter than what its dead weight is. Another thing that we have done by working with B3 is that we have focused or shifted the middle position slightly lower to meet the US conditions, because we have received a lot of requests from the big boys out here that we want 3-pounder bats which would instantly ping, and we would not want to invest a lot of effort and the ball needs to fly off the ground. Well, we have heard your request and we have not gone for a 3-pounder bat. It is definitely lighter than that, and it feels incredibly light as well for you to have a higher bat speed. Well, I'll get to the weight in a bit, but I just wanted to focus that there is absolutely, there is slight bit of concaving. I would say just an of concaving. Apart from that, it's all full. And if you see that, this is huge, guys. This is absolutely humongous. This is the handle. Just see the handle. See my handle. I can only wrap up this much. It's that thick handle it comes in with. As usual, it comes in with the 2 cork and 1 rubber insert to give you the combination of flex as well as the rigidness from the cork and the flex from the rubber. And that's the theory what B3 is following, and I'm pretty sure done it's working for sure. On the face, you have good amount of grains. This is a grade 2 willow, by the way, and it has the heartwood on the left hander's outside edge. Well, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 grains on this one. Well, 9 grains for a grade 2 bat, I would say not a bad deal, right? Well, that was it. And then if you see that the grains are running parallelly nicely through the toe, attributes quality of a good cricket bat. Well, I've spoken a lot about this. Well, let's touch base on the weight, right? I'll discuss it now that the weight of this particular bat is 2.12.1 on the scales. 2.12.1 on the scales. Now, with I generally play with a 210 bat in for my games. So let me check out what this balance feels like. Well, as I said, guys, it is incredibly well balanced. I mean, huge cheers to B3 for doing such a spectacular job on our request, and obviously huge cheers to our own Deepak Bhai, who has worked with B3 to get this thing done. This feels like a 210 in my hands down, no question about it. And anyone who walks in the shop, checks out the B3 XLs, they always say that it's definitely a couple of ounces lighter than what its dead weight is. Well, we said a lot about the bat. Now let's check out the ping response of this lovely bat with this brand new cricket ball. Jesus, guys. This is what I was saying. Absolutely no mercy for the bowlers. Oh my god, the ball is just pinging off like anything. And I can't feel an ounce of a thing that I'm even hitting it in my hands. So that's how beastly this bat is. Well, and it pings from the bottom, like from the lower part here. It pings from here as well. I mean, obviously it will not ping here, but the entire part is all middle. So that brings me to the retail price of this particular bat. This bat would retail at $399.99. You can reach out to us through any social media platforms that we are available on if you are bold enough to wield this big boy, which is weighing in at 2.12, and we all have the XLs in around that 211, 212 or 213 weight range. Reach out to us before it gets sold out. We've already sold out most of it, the XLs that we received. We have to place another order of the XLs with B3, which we'll be doing shortly, which we have done actually over the weekend, but this is almost getting sold out. So if you are after grade 1, grade 2 or grade 3 of the XLs, reach out to us and get yours for the summer, and do some whacking and hit some lovely long sixes, or hit some strong fours with the XLs that you would own. Well, that was it for this video. If you're new to this channel and if you like the content that we showcase on our channel, then please do consider subscribing to our channel. Otherwise, it's all good. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.